Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin forecast. This will be as of 16th of April of 2025, and we're at 8 at 9 CST. So anyway, welcome, guys. Let's make myself smaller. Remember that I always need to do that before I start doing the forecast, because if not, you won't be able to see the changes. So now that we have done that, let's begin. Let's begin with the change of the analysis, because we have a lot of things happening right now. So we need to be aware of them to understand what will be the best choice for us to invest our money and to make more money, right? So, yeah, let's check this. Da, 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 da. Remember, guys, if we are still stuck on the same two levels, we do not trade. That's the rule. Remember that rule, because it's very important. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. I know that it's bouncing on a very important channel trend line and trying to go downwards, but I do need to remember, I need to make you remember that we do not trade when we are on a sideways movement. That's the rule. Okay, because we could be stuck on that price level and we are not following, or we wouldn't be following any trend. So that's the danger of it, and that's why I wouldn't advise for you to be doing that or trying to, I don't know, try to win the lottery with this. Because remember, guys, this is not the lottery. This is why we are doing so much analysis and adding so much stuff to the screen, because all of this makes what we need to understand to make the right decision, and not just the right decision, but on the right moment. Okay. I need to take out the okay for my life. Anyway. Um because as I was saying, is the let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be the 6th time that we are bouncing on the same price level, which is not the best case, and it means that we are still stuck on a trap for new traders that do not understand how this works and how these work, and they are trying to become millionaires overnight, right? Jokes on you, my friend. It's like you are playing the lottery, and we are not doing that. We are trying to understand the behavior of the human mind inside how can we call it, inside a circumstance where it is on pressure about multiplying money, but at the same time with the complete risk of losing it all. So yeah, I really love this, because it is cold. It's not for the weak, because you can win as much as you can lose. So yeah, most of the people are not used to that. Most people, they are just looking to invest in something that is sure, even though it doesn't exist, as any investment involves a percentage of risk. So it's nonsense what you are asking. But, and that's the big but, the real risk is to not understand the places where you should be investing your money, and where you should be investing yourself, your time, your mind, your whatever you're doing, your plans, your future. You need to create a very clear vision of whatever you're trying to achieve, and then you will be able to achieve it, because you have created in your mind. So this is what we're trying to do here. We are trying to understand that behavior of the human mind in a hive wise, in a hive way. So it has a lot to consider, and I think the most important thing about this is that you need to be aware. You need to be aware that you could lose all of the money that you invest here. So as I say to all of my clients, whatever amount you are considering to deposit in your trading account, consider that money already lost, because in that way you will be free to make trades without thinking about the risk of losing your money, because you have already give it away. Okay. I lost again. So yeah, we need to consider that, because if you come to this market thinking that you will become rich, you are in the wrong place, my friend. There's actually no place where you will be able to just make money easy and fast. Okay? The only way that you can make money easy and fast is by getting to work with lots and lots and lots of people. In that case, you will be able to move yourself the way that you should, and by doing business, you won't need to have money to make big deals, because you will always be um, working, or you will always be dealing with money that isn't yours. So that's the best money, because it's not yours to risk. So even though it can be lost, it won't be your loss. So yeah, there's a lot to learn about this. There's a lot of techniques that you can follow through, but it's about understanding. It's about having a deep knowledge about what we are trying to achieve and what we are doing by making this analysis and by following this currency price daily. Okay, because we are. Oh, I said okay again, because we're trying to do impossibles, kind of actually. So let me erase this because now it's useless. What really calls my attention is the fact that it has bounced 3 times on the same price channel line. No, in the same channel trend line. Okay, channel trend line. Because as you can see, it has bounced once, twice, and 3 times, and actually 4 times, which means that we are still on a downtrend. So be very cautious, my friend. And I can't get tired of repeating this. Be very cautious with where you put your money, because as you can see, this could be a trap. And if you are thinking that maybe the Bitcoin will just pop up above like crazy, maybe you could be right, maybe you could be wrong. But as my analysis say, you will be completely wrong. But I could be completely wrong myself. So that's the bet, right? That's what we are betting in this case. And yeah, so there's still a lot to learn, guys. And for now, the forecast is that we do not trade, because we are on a sideways movement. So be careful and please do not trade right now. Last time we said that we were going to sell all of our Bitcoins, and that's exactly what we did. So we are waiting on the price to drop again to buy new coins when the price goes down. So be mindful about the drop. Be ready. Be always ready to make new bets, to not just to take the downfall, but to be ready to also grab the bounce up. Okay? How many times did I say okay today? Anyway, so that will be it for today, guys. We have passed our time limit for 1 minute, so we are done. And as always, I do this with all my love and for you to understand this currency and how the technical analysis work on the currency charts. In this case, that I use XM as my supplier, but you could be using any broker that you want. I do endorse using XM because, of course, I am enrolled with the affiliate program. So if you want to join, you are more than welcome to send me a message and ask me for my affiliate link, and I will happy to share with you. And we can get a bonus, right? Both of us. So that's it, guys. Thank you for everything, and we'll be seeing each other on the next one. Have a great day, and until the next one. Tomorrow we'll be playing GTA San Andreas. We are almost close to reach Las Venturas. When we are able to cross that to that county, we will start doing the trucking missions. Okay, and I need to do the courier missions this next stream. Okay, so I need to remember that. But anyway, thank you for everything, and we'll be seeing each other on the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Always remember to like this video if you liked it, to share it with your friends, to watch it a million times, to show it to your mom, to your dad, to your cousin, to everyone you want. And thank you. Bye. Leave a comment, subscribe. Bye.